Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn a new lesson, that is lesson number 3, and the name of the lesson is Enjoy the Week. I just want all of you to open the page number 31, Enjoy the Week. What is meaning of week? You know, the days which comes one by one, like weekdays, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So that is called a week. Okay, WEEK. So this is a enjoyment of a week. We will learn some new thing. First of all, let me share the screen. I will share and explain you. Okay? Yes. Yes. Lesson number 3, enjoy the week. Before starting the lesson, we have to do warm up. Warm up means look at the jumbled words. They are names of the days in a week. Yes, these are the days which are mentioned in a week, but in a jumbled way. Can you put them in a right order? Yes, you can do it. Huh? It is so simple. Now you see here what it is written. For example, only one I will tell you. YADSURHT. So which day it is there, and when this our first day will start in a week, that also I will explain you. Okay, but here this is a jumbled word, so you have to just write it in a proper way. First you just write whether it is Sunday, then SUNDAY. What about the RHT? It means it is not a Sunday, it is Saturday. Now you see SATUR, but what about DAY? Then these are actually the weekdays. We have to write it in a proper way. First of all, your first day of the week always start with a Sunday. So here you find out where is that word given. In a week, how many days are there? Total 7. Total 7 days are in a week. So first day is the Sunday, and here you see it is given SUNDAY. This is the jumbled word that you have to write here. Number 1, Sunday. Now the second day of the week is Monday. Here it is, you see, MONDAY. The second day of the week is Monday. Then the third day of the week is Wednesday. Here it is WEDNESDAY. Third day of the week is Wednesday. Now remaining these you have to write it. After Wednesday, what it comes? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Understood? First one, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Where is Tuesday? Here it is, Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Once again, I will repeat. First, Sunday. Second, Monday. Third, Tuesday. Fourth, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, and the seventh is Saturday. You have to find out. Now you see here it is a Friday. This one is Wednesday. This one is Sunday. This one is Monday, Saturday, Thursday, Tuesday. Okay. So these words you just write it, but start with the first day, Sunday. Now we will just do this poem. Sunday is the first day of the week. That really is so cool. Monday I wake up early as I have to go to school. Yes, Sunday always is the full day of enjoyment because that is a holiday. Everyone gets a holiday for a school, for our parents also, those who take a rest on that day. So it is a enjoying day, Sunday, first day of the week. And we say that day is a cool day. Then Monday, we have to just get up early because we have to go to school. Yes, so Monday will be our school. Then what happens in the day of Tuesday? We will read here. Tuesday, I'm on the go with study and games, both in class and at home. Wednesday, I go to the park where with my pals I roam. Now you see here, when Sunday comes, so it is a full cool day. Then Monday, we just woke up and we just go to school. But on Tuesday, we do our study and we play our games in the class, in the school, but at home also. What is the meaning of cool here? You know, cool means completely relax, a calm. जिसको बोलते हैं ना आराम. Sunday is a full cool day. But when Monday starts, we woke up early and we go to school every day. From Monday to Saturday, we go to school. Only Sunday is a holiday. But when Tuesday comes, we even study and play games, both in the school and at home also. We go to park and we play there. When? On Wednesday. Tuesday, we do study and play games. Okay. And Wednesday, when we just go to school, so we play in the parks also. And with whom you just roam. Roam, what is the meaning of roam here? To go here and there. Okay, to go here and there. What is the meaning of pals? You know, pals is friends. You just move here and there with your friends. Here the meaning of pals is friends. Now what we will do on Thursday? We will read. Thursday, I watch on television my favorite program and dad sits at the computer with me. Yes, now you see, Thursday, he just decided that he wants to watch television. What? The personal and programs, favorite programs, which every day you like. You can watch your programs on television, your favorite programs. And beside him, his father will also sit and do his computer work. Okay, so this is the first first day. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. This we just learn in the page number 31. Now I will open page number 32. Yes. Can you see this page number 32? Is it clear, students? Okay. Now, Friday. Friday I study all that I have learned. There is so much to do, you see. Yes, on Friday, whatever actually teachers taught you, that you have to learn. Because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all these 4 days, whatever the teachers taught you, you have to just learn those things on Friday. And there is so much work to do and to see also. Now, what is the program of Saturdays? Saturdays, it is the seventh day of the week, they says. But for me and my maids, what is the meaning of maids, you know? Yes, is a friends only. Mates means friends. So here with the friends, it is the best of all, for I can play the whole day. Okay, in some schools, Saturdays, second Saturday and fourth Saturday will be holiday. But in some other schools, all the Saturdays is a holiday, as Saturday is the seventh day of the week. So here this boy play with the friends whole day, because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, these 4 days he actually go to school, and whatever the teachers taught, he will learn these things, those exercises, lessons, everything on Friday. And on Saturday, as the seventh day, he enjoys the last day of the week with friends. Whole day he plays, because he completed all his work. Even you also do the same thing and enjoy the Saturdays with your friends. So here I completed the lesson number 3. Okay, enjoy the week. What is the meaning of week here? The days one by one which comes from Sunday to till Saturday is called as a week. All the 7 days is called a week. So here I explain you. So all of you just note down the homework. That is the in the page number 31, the jumbled words are given. The days of a week. Those you have to write it in your notebook, and word meanings and opposites. These exercises you have to write it in your notebook. This is the homework for you. All of you just do it and see. If you don't understand, once again I will repeat it and I'll clear your doubts. Okay. Thank you all of you. Stay home. Stay safe.